they could end up getting targeted by that regime. That was a real concern. Others were worried about an online brand they had established through years of work and content creation. So let's say that it's a person who is known by a particular nickname. PewDiePie is a good example. They said, well, that's where all my value is. Don't make me give that up. And many accused Google of trying to artificially boost the popularity of Google Plus by requiring YouTube users to create a profile on this languishing social networking site. I mean, and to me, that last accusation holds the ring of truth, because I remember when Google Plus was in beta, the only people who were on it were entrepreneurs.
Pardon me? Did I what? No. Positive, I got a dash cam.